In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a Microsoft Word file using Messenger. Whether you're using Facebook Messenger on your computer, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to Messenger. Simply tap on the person whom you want to send the file to. Here you can find the choose attach a file, tap on it. Now, here find the file that you have saved from Microsoft Word. Simply click on open. Wait until this loads. Once this loads, you can simply tap on this paperclip icon. And there you have it. You successfully sent a Microsoft Word file using Messenger.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.